Hey Thomas, thank you for clicking on my video today. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I am with Peterson SEO. Uh, I love what I do. I love guiding um, business owners such as yourself to crush your goals and meet or over exceed them. So, with that, let's get to it. So, I want to talk about three different things today. First thing I want to talk about is content. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks and keywords. And the third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, uh, I pulled up your website, so let's take a quick look at it. I like how it's clickable here. I really like how you have your brand up here, Vanguard Renovations. So let's kind of scroll down a little bit. Oh, cool. I like how that pops up, the biohazard, bone removal, water and smoke. I really like that. You got your testimonials here. I like how those popped out there. Okay, scroll to zoom. Okay, so you can scroll on the map. Live support. Okay, so what Google really loves for and what they really need is content. Now, from the looks of it here, it looks like you have, I would say, maybe 100 words of content, and Google really loves 1,500 to about 2,000 words of content. On top of that, they also like different keywords that are embedded inside your homepage here, usually saved about every 250 words or so. So with that, let's look at your competitor. And I know when you look under renovations under Google, it just says places. So when I typed in your website, it takes us to places. So it's definitely not this is not helping you in your services, water removal, mold, and fire. But what I did is I went to Restoration San Diego, and this is where we want to be. I, I I typed in this search area, and the first thing that popped up is Orange Restoration. So let's take a quick look at your competitor and see. This is basically where we want to be for your business to be found. Your business isn't really being found right now. So here's a look at their website, and it looks. Let's see how much content they have. They it looks like they offer about the same services as you guys. Their website looks kind of dull. It's not too flashy, but they do have a lot of words of content in here. So let's see, they have, I would say, maybe 700 words of content here, maybe 1,000. So that kind of gives you a bird's eye view of what to look for in content and what Google looks for. With that being said, let's move on to the topic number two. So what I want to talk about in this topic is backlinks and also keywords. So when you go into a tool, this tool is called Ahrefs, and you could purchase this tool, and anybody can get this tool. But I did put your website in here, and it shows your strength and how much trust you have. It shows your backlinks, referring domains. Um, what's not what you're not getting is organic traffic, and that's what we want to get for you. So let's look at your competitors. Now, wow, look at their trust rating and how much power they have to get them up there. You have, or they, excuse me, they have 2.8 thousand organic traffic. Like wow, like how what would 20K or 40K extra a month be worth to you? Like wow, that is huge. So I'm just throwing that out there. That's just a ballpark, but definitely something to think about. So moving on, basically we have everything that this website has, and this is a live view again of what uh, their website is doing as much as yours. So I mean, we have access to everything that they have. So all we got to do to outrank them in keywords and backlinks is just do what they're doing and do it a little bit more and better. So do it more organically. So not all backlinks are created equal. And with that being said, that's about all I have for you with that. Third thing I want to talk about though is citations. Now, citations usually are at your what's called your Google Business Profile. Okay, now 30% of search volume goes here when you are up here. So if you are up here, 30% of your customers are going to be searching for you up here. But when you are down here in the on the bottom three organics, this is called the organics section. 70% of your business comes from here. So that's huge. So that's why we're comparing to Orange Restoration, where you should be at Restoration San Diego. Okay, but with that being said, in a nutshell, that's kind of where you want to be. So in order to be up here, all you have to do is make sure your Google Business Profile is 100%. You know, you just want to make sure that your photos are all saved properly, and you just the same thing with down here. You kind of want to be doing what they're doing here. Orange Restoration, they're ranking there and here. So they're doing everything right to rank in this search area. With that being said, they're doing everything that they need to do in order to get them ranked at those places, and also so that they can be seen um, and have a really good online presence. So, with that being said, Thomas, I hope this video was informational for you. If you need a guide to guide you through this, again, my name is Joshua Gutierrez. I am with Peterson SEO. My phone number is 505-331-7995. And if not, no harm, no foul. I mean, this is free information for you to use. You could do with it as you choose, whatever you need to do with it. So, with that being said, I hope the rest of your day is good to you. And with that, have a good day, and thank you so much for your time. Bye bye now.